What is up, garden friends? I just want to come with a quick video on how not to take care of insects, like bad insects, on your apple tree. And this is how not to do it. I'll just show you guys this real quick. This is what happens when you spray your tree down with dish soap. Yep, this is my apple tree, my first apple tree that I got. I read that online that if you don't have like neem oil or some sort of insecticide in that way, you can use dish soap and you can spray it on the root. I mean, not on the roots, but on the inner parts and interlacings here and there to stop like aphids from coming around. Well, that's a lie. Doing that deteriorates the waxy gloss that's on your plant leaves. Like, doesn't matter if it's an apple tree or if it's beans. It takes away that waxy layer, and then your leaves start turning brown and drying up. So I made this mistake. I'll take full responsibility for it. I still think that this is going to survive. We got some green parts. The leaves are dried off, so those aren't going to become green again. But hopefully by next season we're going to get some green growth, or when new growth happens it doesn't affect it badly. But I just wanted to warn you guys, because like when you look up your regular old video on how to keep plants pest away, they always give the option of dish soap, and it doesn't work, as you can see, on a large scale. And some I didn't spray on a large scale like this, but over here, see, this is my blackberry that I got. I sprayed it on all of these plants. I'm glad these ones didn't get as bad of an effect, but they did get a big effect on it. Like, you see those little edges. And then right here, as well as on this plant, my raspberry, some brownage right there, some browning. So I am showing you this so you don't make the same mistake as me. I'm not going to make this mistake again. I'm glad I know now, and I didn't spray everything in my garden with it. But if you were thinking about, or you've seen that, like, saying that dish soap is good for pests or whatever, it's not. Don't trust it. I have a link below to a article about how it really gives more negatives than positives. But I'm glad I found this out now. But kind of sucks that I sprayed so much on my apple. I still think there is a good chance for it to come back, because we still have some green foliage. And like when next season comes around, I think we're gonna get some green foliage back. But it's a little sad. So I just want you guys to learn this, and don't make the same mistake as me. And check out the article if you really need extra convincing. But on a positive note, my peppers are looking good, as well as the rest of the garden. And we're going to have a garden tour video coming very soon. Not a harvest video yet, but it's looking beautiful. But you got to wait till then. But have a great day, and don't mess up the way I messed up. All right? See ya.